Hello everybody, this is Jeanette. I want to do a video on a project I just made. I made the Gumball machine. I made it out of the potted planter and a glass round jar that you can get from like the dollar store or Michael's. So this is my project here. I painted this here. First I colored it, painted it over, gessoed it, and then I painted it with a lavender color, purple. It was the Smart Craft acrylic paint that you can get from Michael's. Then I added some pearl paint here around the top part and added pearls and lace all around the top. I added some of my flowers that I had from my stash. I gessoed the flowers also. This is a bobble that I had in my stash also, and I just hot glued it down there so I can just lift the top off. I added lace here. This dome here is from Michael's. It was $1. You can also get them at the dollar store. And the plant here off the planter pot also came from Michael's. It was $1.29. And this part also, and this was 79 cents for the top part. This is just what the plant sits on the inside. The potted plant sits in. And I painted this also the same color as the top. I added lace around the edges here of the pot and the dome so you wouldn't see that gap. I used my E6000 and glued it to the top, to the bottom part of the planter. But I took some purple paper and I put it on the inside so you wouldn't see that like round opening that's at the bottom of the planter pot. I just don't like the way that circle looks. I've seen it in some people's, but I didn't like it. So then I gessoed these flowers here also. I added pearls all the way around the trimming of the jar. I added some recollection pearls here, pink flatback pearls. And here I added butterflies there, and I added pearls, some lace. Turn it. I added lace at the bottom of this part right here also with some pearl beads, and at the bottom of the planter I added some lace also, and I painted it white, but I covered it up with some lace. So, but it came out pretty nice. I really like it. It came out better than I actually thought it would, because I had no clue. And it didn't take long. So, but this is it. I'm gonna put some of my probably pearls, single pearls in here. But I wanted this shape glass so it wouldn't be that easy for it to slide off. You know, the top to slide off, because it had something like to catch it, some ridges or whatever. It wouldn't be as easy to slide off. But this is it. This is my faux gumball machine. I think it came out really cute. For the butterflies here, I added flatback pearls, some pink flatback pearls there also. But this is it. This is my gumball machine. Came out really, really cute. Didn't take long to do it. So, but I hope everyone likes it. And I want to say thank you, everybody, for watching. And have a good evening. Bye.